Alright, so here we go again. We're going to do a little trading here. We got some setups coming. Again, going off of the system. What I think I'm going to do now, I was starting to think about it, and well, I'm going to go ahead and put these orders in because it's definitely going to close above here. So what we're going to do is I'm going with an ATR stop loss plus 10, I think, for buys, and then plus 10 in the spread for the shorts. But so we're going to go ahead and do that. So that would be, so now I have to lower my risk because my account is at 577 times 0.03 is $17 divided by 36. So that's 0.48 lots on this one. So we'll go ahead and do that. 0.48. We're going to go ahead and buy there. And let's see. Okay, and then so our stop loss for this one is 36. So let's go ahead and do that. That would be right here. And I always like to give myself a 2 pip difference, just again because of the spread. So we say 38, 132.07 is what we're going to stop this one at. And we're looking for a target of 24. So that would put us at 132.70. Alright, so that one's in. There was actually a lot of good setups, on this coming up here right now. We might go ahead and enter back on the. We're going to go ahead and enter back on the franc here. So we got to do plus 10 is 28 plus the spread of 2, so that's 30. So now we got to do 17 divided by 30.23. So we can only do 0.23 lots on this one. Do 0.23. And we're in that one. Let's see. So the stop loss was 28 and 2 is 30. So that's going to bring us to right about here, 91.38. And we're looking for 18. So that's 90. So 90.38. And 90.90. Wait, 91.38. Sorry. Let's just double check that. Yeah. 91.38. I was wondering why it wouldn't work. Alright, there we go. So we're in that one. I think we had another one here. Nope, I'm going to let that one roll for now. The New Zealand dollar was doing, I was going to get in this one too. Let's see, so ATR, this is a big ATR. Plus 10 is 33. So, and we're going long, and the spread is 7. So we actually need to do 50 pips on this one. So 17 divided by 50.34 lots on that one. All right. And we're looking for 33 pip profit target, which I'm gonna have to adjust my screen here. $160.67, and we'll call that 158.85. 160.67. Wait, that's the take profit. 160.67, and the stop was at 158.85. Let's just double check the math here before we. 159.85. Oof, that would have been rough, huh? Alright, and we're in this market. You can see the stops are a little closer together. Again, I was having some issues with that giant stop loss ATRs and all that. Now this one is also another one that I want to get in. I don't know if I have enough. Okay, maybe I do have enough margin. So we got 20, we got 30 on this one. So we got 32. So 17 divided by 32. 0.53. 53 lots. I'm going to round that down to 0.5. So that's going to take up a lot of my margin here. Probably be done after that. I don't know what that took me to. Yeah, we're about done on that one. Alright, so we got a profit target. Our stop loss is going to be 30, which is down here. $105.81, and our profit is 20. Get that again. $106.31 and 105.80. 106.31 and 105.80. $105.80. 106.31. All right. We should be in this market. There we go. All right, so we will keep you updated, and we'll go from there. I tell you, just doing a quick update here. I tell you, nothing makes me more nervous or just more jumpy than a market that just does nothing. You can see basically the only thing that's done something is the Euro New Zealand, and it's going in the opposite direction. I don't know why the markets are just not moving at all. I think this is a pullback candle is what I'm thinking. But for the most part, all my other positions are just kind of hanging out, just waiting, just not doing anything. So I think that's one of the toughest parts of trading too, is the patience, the waiting. You hope you want to get in on this candle, and then boom, and it just goes right up. Or you want to get on this candle and it just goes right down. But when you're in these kind of candles here, it's just very frustrating. The trend says we're still in an uptrend. Of course, that doesn't mean anything. It could go down at any minute. We've been on an uptrend on the hourly for quite some time on this one. So I know there's the Fed, the head of the Fed of New York is speaking in about 45 minutes. So I was hoping to get some kind of trades going. to get them done before then, but I don't know if that's going to happen. So we'll have to wait and see. Otherwise, you know, we might get stuck in these trades, and if if the Fed comes out and says something good, then it'll probably hurt a lot of the positions that we're in here. So I just wanted to give a quick update. Got it. All right, so a quick update here. The Aussie dollar hit our target. The New Zealand dollar definitely did not. That one we took a loss, hanging out, doing their thing, not really doing much. We are in profit on the franc a little bit, and the euro is just kind of just not doing anything. So we will update you once we are ready to go. I gotta shut this thing down because I'm still in this trade and my computer's getting too hot. So I'll make a new video when it's updated.